Welcome to Watersino, your trusted premium sanitary ware partner since 2004. With 22 years of expertise, we craft top-tier bathroom and kitchen fixtures. Our core products include basin faucets, kitchen faucets, shower systems and hardware, accessories. We own a 700M factory and a 1200M showroom, the showroom only a 20-minute drive from the Canton Fair. Our factory is equipped with CNC machining centers, automatic plating lines, and precision casting equipment. Realize standardized production from brass billet to finished product. We offer small batch customization and mass order production with a high efficiency, annual output of over 80 million units, enabling us to fulfill the delivery requirements of global customers. Comprehensive quality testing. Every unit undergoes 10+ rigorous tests to ensure reliability. Key tests include water pressure resistance up to 0.8 megapascal, 24-hour leak-proof detection, 48-hour acidic salt spray test, temperature resistance 4 to 80, and flow rate accuracy verification. All tests comply with international standards, laying the foundation for our complete certifications. 2,000+ watermark, 200+ each for wells or RAS or UPS, plus C or ACs or SA. Each year, we receive nearly 200 customer visit batches and have collaborated on more than 55-star hotel and high-end villa projects with our professional design, sales and after-sales teams, escorting the whole process.